Jeff, we're nearly out of time, but it has come to that time. We will have more to say about this in a few weeks' time, but we did get our mitts on the brand new album for Clifford Hoad's Kings of the Sun. The album's entitled Rock Till You Die, one of the great hard rock bands in this country. They haven't been heard of for a long time. Clifford Hoad, now without his brother Jeff, has resurrected the band from the drum stool up, recruited three new guys into the band, and they've come out with an extraordinary record. I'll go on record as saying this is the best hard rock record I've heard in the last 25 years out of this country. I have to say, and have to be honest, wasn't quite sure what to expect from Kings of the Sun, but this album's just blown me away this week. If you're a fan of that good old Aussie grunt kind of pub rock, this is an amazing record. Great songs. It sounds great. Everything that you would love from a record of this type. I know you've just got your mitts on a copy tonight, Jeff, so you can't really kind of comment. But
I'm going to race home and play it. And we did have lovely Linda Friedman from East St Kilda subscribe tonight, wanted some Horsehead or some Kings of the Sun. She's going to get some Kings of the Sun.
This is the third track off the album. This is Switchblade Knife from Kings of the Sun.
Thunder and lightning came down from the sky. Caught in the dark and I don't know why. I crossed my heart that I didn't die. Stop living in fear for the rest of my life. Give me a switchblade in the morning. Give me a switchblade in the night. With my switchblade I'll take possession. Take back my life in the air. With my switchblade knife. Angels of mercy are flying round me, washing the blood from the blade still in me. It was cold, it was hard, it cut me like butter. My spirit it rose, pulled me up from the gutter. Give me a switchblade in the morning. Give me a switchblade in the night. With my switchblade I'll take possession.
Gotta love them. Kings of the Sun from the brand new album Rock Till You Die. And Jeff and I will be talking to Clifford Hoad on the first Thursday in September. And hopefully, Jeff, will see him in Melbourne.
I cannot wait.